Okay, so this is the new 2016 Buick Cascada with a 1.6 liter turbocharged engine, 200 horsepower, front wheel drive, 6-speed transmission. Great performance when maneuvering in city traffic.
You got a fast car, I want to take it to anywhere. Maybe we can make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Oh, any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. But me, myself, I got nothing to prove.
One thing that's really nice about this vehicle is the ample room that you have in the front seat and the rear seat. Both rear seats fold down flat for easy storage and easy accessibility. The Buick Cascada has ample legroom in the back for those passengers that you want to be comfortable. The Buick Cascada is comfortable and reliable. Quality beyond compare. Not another convertible is like this in the market at this price. Okay, so there you have it. The 2016 Buick Cascada, 1.6 liter turbocharged engine, 200 horsepower. Easy to drive, easy on acceleration, great gas mileage, 20 in the city, 27 on the highway. Buick quality, it can't be beat.